Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing precisely. Equip suits that prevent interruption and position Samus on flat ground facing your target. Press and hold the dash button to build momentum, then jump at the final dash frame to begin the speed boost. You do this because momentum from the dash converts into a faster aerial state. Once airborne, you can chain inputs. Make sure your timing is tight. A premature jump loses speed, and a late jump cancels the dash entirely. Once done with the initial launch, focus on chaining. You will land and immediately buffer dash during the landing animation so you can reinitiate speed without slowing. This preserves momentum and extends the boost. Use diagonal control inputs to avoid losing horizontal velocity when jumping between platforms, since direct vertical inputs bleed speed. Also make controlled use of small ledges or slopes to reset dash frames without a full stop, which lets you repeat the boost sequence continuously. To finish, carry your momentum into a long flat run to maximize distance and speed. Release inputs only after you safely clear obstacles. If your boost unexpectedly drops, stop, realign Samus, and restart the dash jump chain rhythm. Consistency is key. If problems persist, check your controller dead zones and input timing because inconsistent button registration breaks the sequence. Remember why each step matters. Precise time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.